how to upload photos with auto quality on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload photos with auto quality on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one here, photo upload quality. Click on it and click auto and okay. Now just go back, it will be saved, and as you see, that's how to upload photos with auto quality. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.